Our world is noisy, buzzing, pinging, constantly demanding attention. Smartphones, computers, televisions, a symphony of distractions. More and more people are feeling overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, unable to focus. There's a growing movement pushing back. Digital detox. What is a digital detox? Simple. It's a conscious break from digital devices, a time to unplug, recharge, and reconnect with yourself and the world around you. It can be an hour, a day, or even longer. The goal? To regain control over your digital life. The benefits of a digital detox are significant. Studies show reducing screen time lowers stress levels. You feel calmer, more relaxed. Unplugging also improves focus and concentration. You're more present, more engaged in your tasks. Section 4. Beyond the screen physical benefits of a digital detox. The benefits extend beyond the mind. Reduced screen time can improve sleep quality. Less exposure to blue light means better sleep. You wake up feeling more rested, more energized. A digital detox can also reduce eye strain and headaches. Your eyes get a much-needed break from the constant digital stimulation. Section 5. Reclaim your time. Practical steps to digital minimalism. Starting a digital detox is easier than you think. Begin with small steps. Set aside specific times to be device-free. Turn off notifications. Put your phone away. Rediscover the joy of reading, spending time in nature, or simply doing nothing. You might be surprised by how much you enjoy the silence.